Hi everyone, welcome to BASM 5 111, Unit 7, Lesson 7, Organizing in Business Management. In this lesson, we will dive into the crucial aspect of organizing. Effective organization is the key to optimizing efficiency and productivity within any business. Furthermore, we will focus on the types of organizing structures and their significance in creating efficient and effective operations within an organization. So, let's explore the principles of organizing in business management. Organizing involves the process of arranging and structuring resources and activities to achieve organizational goals effectively. It encompasses the coordination of people, tasks, and resources to streamline operations and ensure smooth functioning. Therefore, the importance of organizing involves ensuring that an organizational structure is set up, that there is accountability within departments, clear reporting channels, efficient allocation of resources, and separation of tasks for effective coordination. Amongst the numerous principles of organizing, we shall only focus on the following four, which also have sub-principles, which includes coordination, designing jobs, authority and responsibility, and delegation. Beginning with coordination. Coordination is a process of linking activities, efforts, and resources to ensure that organizations achieve a common goal. In order to coordinate effectively, an organization would need to establish a chain of command, which deals with the distribution of authority and power within hierarchical structure, determine unity of command and span of control. Designing jobs is another principle of organizing that aims at ensuring that the jobs that are carried out by employees are motivating through different approaches such as job rotation, which focuses on moving an employee among departments, job enlargement, focusing on giving more responsibility, and job enrichment, such as promotion. Authority and responsibility is an anchoring principle that focuses on granting instructions or orders that are to be fulfilled by subordinates. However, authority is manifested in different ways. Line authority, which has to do with how authority flows from top-level management and lower-level management. Staff authority, which can be referred to as personnel authority, where management can depend on employees who are experts in a particular area, such as law or corporate governance. Delegation, lastly, is a process of having to assign tasks and responsibilities to a subordinate with authority. Depending on the approach of authority that is embraced within an organization, delegation can be influenced by centralization or decentralization. Centralization limits delegation as all decision-making is taken at top-level management. Meanwhile, decentralization encourages delegation as decision-making can be carried out not by only top-level management, but also other levels of management. Organizing structures provide the framework for how tasks, roles, and responsibilities are arranged within an organization. They determine how individuals and teams interact, communicate, and collaborate to achieve common objectives. Let's explore some common organizing structures used in business management. These include functional, product, location, customer, matrix, and divisional. Beginning with functional. The functional structure is the most common and traditional form of organizing. It groups employees based on their specialized functions or departments, such as marketing, finance, operations, and human resources. It also provides clear lines of authority and specialization, promoting efficiency and expertise in specific fields. Product structure is specifically designed to group together all activities that relate to a particular product. Companies such as Pioneer Foods and Tiger Brands use these type of structures. Location structure. Location departmentalization is used in organizations that produce and sell products or services in different geographical locations. The workers, together with the work-related activities, are grouped per regional area. Customer structure. Customer departmentalization differs from functional departmentalization in that activities relating to the product, location, and customers are grouped in such a way that it can be perceived as small business inside the organization. Matrix structure. The matrix structure combines elements of both functional and divisional structures. It creates dual reporting lines where employees have both a functional manager based on their expertise and a project or product manager based on the project or product they are working on. The matrix structure facilitates cross-functional collaboration, promotes knowledge sharing, and enhances flexibility in project-based organizations. Divisional structure. In a divisional structure, the organization is divided into self-contained divisions or units based on specific products, geographical regions, or customer segments. Each division operates as a separate entity, responsible for its own functions, resources, and decision-making. This structure allows for greater flexibility, customization, and accountability at the divisional level. In recapping the lesson, we have managed to explore the significance of organizing in business management. Also, we have managed to highlight the principles of organizing and have explored the different organizing structures. By understanding the different types of organizing structures and their implications, businesses can create a solid foundation for efficient operations and foster collaboration across the organization. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of our lesson. I hope you have managed to gain understanding and knowledge of the key concepts that were highlighted during the course of our lesson. Till we meet again.